On this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram collaboration problem. It's very easy to solve, so please keep watching until the end. So, first step you have to do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps right here. Go to the apps, scroll until you find the Instagram app as you can see right here. Click on it, and now after you click on it, all what you have to do is very simple. Just click on data usage. Make sure to enable all those options right here, and then go back, click here on the force stop, and then go down to the storage, and then click here on clear cache and clear data. Now turn off your phone and turn it on again, and the problem must be solved. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end.